Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel OMG Tech World. In this video I will tell you how to turn off the permission acquired by some apps which are not necessary. When you install an app, they require you some permissions, some of which are necessary and some are not necessary. They are used by that apps to steal your data. If you want to stop that Android app to stop stealing your data, you have to turn off that permission. In order to do that, first of all, you have to go to settings. In settings, you have to go to apps. In apps, you have to click on three dots and apps permission. As you can see in the video, there are many types of permission you have provided to many Android apps, like body sensor permission and calendar permission. As you can see the number of Android apps which are connected to your calendar and have acquired your calendar permission. Similarly, your camera permissions, you can check how many Android apps have access to your camera, and if you want to turn off the camera access and permission to some of the apps, you can also do from here. Moreover, you can also check contact permissions of different Android apps. If you want to turn off some of the Android apps contacts permission, you can also do from here. If they are necessary to use contact permission, then you have to turn on, otherwise you have to turn off. In this way, you have to check location permission for different Android apps. If they need location permission, then you have to turn on, otherwise you also have to turn off the location permission for that app. Similarly, for the microphone permission, you can also do the same. For the phone permission, you can also check if they are necessary, required permission by Android apps or not. Similarly, for SMS and storage. If some Android app don't need storage permission, you have to turn off that option, as you can see in the video, and don't provide that Android app storage permission in your device. There are additional permission which some of the Android user can provide. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe this.